Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're starting in a child's pose. Big toes touch, knees are far apart. Rest your forehead on the mat. Take a deep breath. Shift forward into your tabletop, coming onto your hands and knees. Extend your left leg behind you. Straighten that leg, point the toe, and reach your right arm forward. Engage your core, and now draw your elbow to your knee. Let's extend our arm and our leg. Take a big inhale. Exhale, elbow to knee. One more time, we extend, big inhale. Exhale, knee to elbow. We extend one final time. And back to your tabletop. Extend your right leg behind you. Reach your left arm forward. Take a big inhale. Exhale, elbow to knee. Again, we extend, elbow to knee. Let's extend, elbow to knee. One last time, we extend, and back to your tabletop. Curl your toes under, send your hips up and back for your down dog. Press into the palms, relax the upper body. Come up high on the tippy toes, lift your heels, and now melt your heels down. Again, rise up high on the tippy toes, melt your heels. Come up high on the toes, melt your heels. This time, you rise up high on your toes, bend your knees as you look forward, and step to the top of your mat for forward fold. Halfway lift, hands to shins, forward fold. Chair pose, sit your hips back, reach your arms up, stand up, and hands come to heart center. Again, chair pose. Flying chair, send your arms behind you with the option to come up on the tippy toes, lifting the heels, practicing your balance. Come back into your chair pose. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High plank, plant your palms, step your feet back as you shift forward and lower down onto your belly for upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Three-legged dog, send your right leg high as you flex your foot. And now you bend your knee to open that right hip, and you can take some circles with the right foot and ankle. Straighten your leg again, three-legged dog. Step your right foot forward for low lunge. High crescent lunge, reach your arms up, big bend in the front knee. Spin your back heel down, warrior two, looking over your fingertips. As you reach forward, for extended side angle, tick-tock the arm so that your left arm is reaching up and your right arm is reaching down as you look up at the ceiling. Come back to your warrior two as you flip your front palm for reverse warrior, reaching up and back. Bend a little bit more into the front leg. And we open up to star pose, completely facing the side. Square your toes as you lean back, reaching back. And wide-legged forward fold. You can grab behind the ankles or underneath the heels as you try to pull yourself through. Relax your head and your neck. Maybe you even look from side to side, just getting any tension that you might be feeling out of your neck and your shoulders. Let's rise back up, circling our arms up. Touch your palms together, really just bringing your hands in a prayer position. Turn to face the front of your mat, and we are going to tuck our chin in towards our chest and roll down for our separate forehead to knee posture. You might have to bend that front knee, and you can also separate your hands. If your hands are apart, you bring them back into your prayer position as you slowly roll up. Circle your arms down and around behind you. Clasp your hands behind you. And you might have to back up a little bit so that you can go into your toppling tree. Lift your back leg, lower the upper body. Lift your back leg a little bit more. Lift the arms. Release your hands to the mat for a curtsy squat, bringing that left knee behind the right calf and straighten the legs. One more time, curtsy squat, really bend and straighten the legs for that standing split, and lower that back foot for your pyramid pose. And back into your downward facing dog. Let's do that on the other side. So now you send your left leg high, three-legged dog, and you bend your left knee, take some circles with the foot and the ankle. Straighten that left leg and now step the foot through, low lunge. Reach up for high crescent lunge. Open up for warrior two. And we come into our extended side angle, reaching that right arm up, looking up. Back to warrior two, flip the front palm for reverse warrior. And we open up for star pose. You lean back and wide-legged forward fold. Rise back up, circling the arms all the way up, bringing the hands into that prayer position. And you turn to face the front with the left leg forward. Tuck your chin and you roll down, bringing your forehead towards your knee. Make sure the weight is more so in your left foot. And we come back up, still keeping our hands in that prayer position. Engage the core. Circle your arms down. Clasp your hands behind you for toppling tree. Lift that back leg, lower the upper body. Lower your hands to the mat for your curtsy squat. Straighten both legs, and then one more time we go into our curtsy. And you straighten, coming into that standing splits. Maybe you grab onto that left ankle for a little balance challenge and pyramid pose. Lower that back foot down. Step forward, coming into your chair pose. And flying chair, option to lift the heels. And you might struggle with the balance. That is okay. Remember, we are just practicing. Back to your chair pose. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High plank. Lower down onto your belly, coming into your upward facing dog. Let's end in our child's pose. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.